All right, so hang with me here. I am trying out a new system of recording videos where I'm actually editing it while I record it. So for example, when I say zoom in, I have a zoomed in version, and then when I zoom out, I zoom out. But anyway, I digress because that's not the point of the video, but let me introduce you to who I am first. My name is Spencer Lalk. I'm from MedStar Studios. Basically, my goal is to help physicians to share their expertise so that they can really get quality information out into the world and fight misinformation. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on how you can utilize AI in your editing workflow to really streamline things so that you can spend less time with actual content creation, and then you can go and spend the time to the more important things that you need to be doing, but at the same time, sharing your expertise. Okay, so if you're ready for it, let's dive into it. What we're going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and then I'm going to show you an application or a software called Descript, which is an incredible software that I use all the time with my team. So let me show you how it looks. So what I've done is I've uploaded a video that we use with one of our doctors. And so pretty much what we use is we use this platform because it streamlines the way that we go about editing. Okay. So pretty much what we do is we upload it here. And one of the cool things about Descript is it allows you to edit it through the transcript. So for example, when we play these videos, I can, for example, just remove this word title. If I remove it from this transcript, it actually removes it from the video itself, which is amazing. And now the way that AI works is that it is really good at pretty much intaking data, specifically words, and then outputting it. So that's why Descript has been so powerful with the introduction of AI. So when we have a video, it's like there's a lot of ums and ahs, there's pauses, there's things like that, that typically our editors have to go through manually, watch the video all the way through and remove. But now with the script, they can do it automatically. So there's this feature called Underlord. So if we look here, if we say Underlord, it has all these amazing options. First, we can use studio sound, which really enhances the quality of the audio. But really the things that I love is I love these kind of things, like removing filler words. So all the ums and ahs, things like that. So let's try it. Let's see if I can click it there. And so right there, you can see it comes up with a list of all of those there. Wow, look how many times throughout the video we said or ah. And what you can do is you can go ahead and you can remove them all, just like that. This would typically take our editors hours to do and is really streamlined the process. So now when we go through the transcript, if we were to look through it, all the ums and ahs would actually be removed from it. Now you see all these ... that is pretty much gaps where nothing is being spoken. And that would just lead to kind of really nothing going on in the video. So if we want to get rid of those, once again, we go to Underlord, and we go through here, and then we say, let's shorten the word gaps. So if I click on shorten word gaps, every word gap that is 2 seconds, say, let's shorten it down to, say, about a half of a second. Okay, I'm going to go to shorten all. And then when I click that, you see all those ... dots right there, they've decreased. So all of this stuff has actually really cut down. Okay, now let's go back and kind of dive into what else it can do. One of my favorite features is edit for clarity, and this is pretty darn cool. So it can take the whole transcript, it'll look at it and say, you know what, can you edit it down so that it makes as much sense as possible for me? And so what we do is I say, okay, and you can choose the intensity. Typically, I like to use the low intensity just because we don't want it to over edit. So when I go and if I hit submit like that, it's going to go ahead, it's going to process that information. And what it's going to do is going to say, based on the transcript, here are the things that we recommend that you remove. And then here's the things that we recommend that you keep in there in order to make it as streamlined as possible. So right from there, I could say, yeah, okay, I'm not going to look at it just for the sake of this video. I'm going to hit done. And so now you can see, if I put this out, you can see how it removes retakes. It removes all of those things that you think, they're not really needed in it in order to be streamlined. So this is all really, really cool. Let me see, what else do we got here that I can show you? It can remove retakes. It can shorten the word gaps, and all of these things just really streamline it and make sure that you can kind of output quality content without taking a ton of time. Now, Descript is a really powerful platform. There is a learning curve to it, but the cool thing is that you can even record like directly into it. and then edit as you go. In the beginning, as you learn it, it will take a little bit, but once we get a flow down and our team uses it so well now that we have really learned ways to streamline the video creation. So this is just one of the tools that we use in our workflow. I recommend that you try it out to see how it would work for you. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And we look forward to hearing about how you utilize AI in your content creation, because we pretty much figured out a way to implement it on every single part of the process, and be interesting to see how you use it too. Alrighty, have an amazing day.